tingnan nyo ito kapapadyan. Ito yung laro ni Jan Mora at saka AJ Albert Manas, no? Napaka-crucial ng larong ito kasi naganap ito sa Saudi Arabia, no? Napaka-crucial ng game na ito kasi hill match ito kapapadyan. Tira ni Jan Mora dyan sa 5, no? Kala ni Albert Manas matatalo na talaga siya dito nang dumikit yung bola sa tira size, no? So may pina dito sa pagtira ng size. So hindi yan na successful na nagawa ng perfect ni Jan Mora, no? Hindi niya napreparan ng gusto kasi hindi yan street ball. Tingnan nyo dito kapapadyan yung tira ni Jan Mora. Ayun, oh, minasi niya kasi ang dikit ng bola. Bawal kasi yun tirahin na hindi mase. Dito si Albert Manas ay nawala ng pag-asa dito kasi kala niya mararan out talaga ni Jan Mora kasi nagkamali din si Albert Manas dito, no? Or AJ Manas. Dito nagproteksyon si Jan Mora. Dito nakabalik si AJ Manas dito, no? So walang kita, nakatago sa 9, no? So ang ginawa ni AJ Manas ito ay kinik niya, nakik niya.
Otherwise, if you kick to the short rail only, you really have to command not only the hit, but the speed on the 6. Could fluke it in the side.
Walang butas, no? Malayo sa butas yung pag-kick niya. Tingnan nyo dito. Yun, no? Ayun.
Gonna spin out a little bit and get awkward.
Ni AJ Manas. Kaya may posibilidad talaga na manalo si AJ Manas dito kasi pinakabahan na talaga ito si Jan Mora.
What a thrilling finish.
Makikita mo naman dito.
See, what's been a very entertaining match. It's always fascinating youthful experience, isn't it, in any sport. You said that right at the start. It's still anyone's.
Dito ay parang
That hard to get the snooker behind the 9. The speed lays pretty natural. Oh, he checked it way short, it looks like anyways.
Ayun. Nakita yung size kapadyan.
Somewhat of a similar shot John played moments ago. Could bank the 6 back down, trying to come 2 cushions on the backside of the 8 with the cue ball.
Laruan dito. Parang si Jan Mora naman ang
See how confident he is if he plays it with a little more speed coming up on the 8. Oh yes, he likes it. He likes it. Very nice.
Perfect talaga. Wow, amazing. Sabi naman, no? Inanon lang ni
Yeah, the balance of power shifts again.
Tingnan nyo sa replay kapapadyan, no? Sinundihan lang pag-yogi, oh. Ayun, no? Torres, oh. Grabe naman yung pagkagawa, no? Grabe yung pagka-execute ng pagka-yogi ni AJ Manas, oh. Napakagaling, no? Kaya dito, hindi na tamaan ni Jan Mora, wow.
Yeah. Go ahead, Dave.
No, he has his chance, doesn't he, the young man?
He sure does, and surprising the kick with that much speed. I thought he would kick 2 cushions underneath it, trying to just hold the cue ball, get the 6 out in space. And really, when you kick with the lighter speed, you almost secure the hit for sure. Keep accuracy.
Kapag may yogi ka, may panalo ka. Kapag marunong ka
So 17-year-old
Albert
Manas, AJ, they call him, has his chance to get this one, and what a victory it would be over a very experienced opponent here at the World Championship. Is he one to watch here in Jeddah this week?
If you look back, it was great play by AJ, but also a few games given away at the beginning by John, and that's going to make the difference in his mind, I bet.
Gave 6-2 Dan Mora, he went 8-7 up.
Last ball, AJ Manas.
This was a very tense final round. Albert Manas has the 9 for victory. What a moment.
Basta may panalig ka, mananalo ka
In it
talaga.
goes. The 17-year-old gets his teenage kicks here at the World Pool Championship, and he is absolutely delighted. What a win for AJ Manas, 9-8 over John Mora.